All right, so let's talk about Pingree, Detroit's mission. Fox 2's Ingrid Kelly joins us from the Detroit warehouse this morning. Loving the smile there, Ingrid.
Hey, you know what? It's such a joy to actually bring you guys this story because, you know, Pingree, Detroit is known for its amazing leather goods. But when you buy one, did you know you can thank a veteran? Joining me now is Jarret Schlaff. Good morning.
Good morning. It's good to be with you today.
Likewise. Thank you for having us and getting up early. So let's just talk about the mission here. What is the mission here at Pingree, Detroit?
First, happy Sunday. It's good to be with you and with all of y'all today.
Yes.
So our mission is to maximize well-being, to create an environment of resilience for our team of Detroiters and veterans right here in Detroit, to create meaningful products that have character and purpose. We like to say just like the people who made it, and just like the city where it's made.
That's exactly right. And you know what? Tomorrow is Veterans Day, and you guys are having something very special for that.
Yes, so we're really proud to unveil to your audience for the first time. We love doing previews and releases with your audience. So our first ever Chukka boot called the Strider.
Wow.
So we're making these in collaboration with our partners at Community Made. So we're blending a little Detroit love with some West Coast hustle. So we collaboratively make these.
Nice.
That is our first ever boot. So these go live on sale tomorrow morning.
Very nice. And you know, veterans have a really important part in what you do here. Let's talk about that.
Of course. So in a little bit, your viewers are going to hear from one of my co-owners who's an Air Force veteran who leads our Thor division. We believe in the importance of service above self, and we're really proud to have a whole team where we put service above self. That's great. So really creating opportunities for veterans, Detroiters to thrive, to create things, to have meaning, to work with our hands and create something that makes our neighborhood stronger is why we exist as a cooperative.
I love that. And also to what goes into your products, there's purpose in that as well.
100%.
Yes.
So we like to say that everything smells like a new car because it nearly was. So all this upcycled car seat and steerable leather goes into all of our products. We've kept over 49,000 pounds out of the landfill to date.
How amazing is that?
Thank you.
That really is. So what's Eric doing back here?
One of my worker owners here, Eric, our youngest worker owner here, he is edge painting our workfolio. So Eric, being the brilliant human being he is, he actually found a completely non-toxic bio-based edge paint that's literally made from food scraps that we use to actually both prime and actually put a really clean edge on that workfolio. So when you give that as a gift, you have something that's going to last for decades. We want things to be heirloom quality, and so he's, with attention to detail, as he always does, he is doing that finishing part of our workfolio.
And it will look like this once he's done, correct?
Yes, really clean edges. It's got the little, you know, from whoever made it, got a little maker card. So you'll also talk to Rain a little bit here. So you'll meet another one of our worker owners who had to make some of our bags, some of our journals, some of our pet products.
What do you hope people get from this?
Inspiration, and that they can be a part of our impact. Every piece, 77% of profits go right back to workers who are creating everything they get.
That's great.
So impact, inspiration, for sure.
Exactly, and we're going to have so much more of that inspirational stories coming up all throughout the morning, so don't go away. Hillary and Charlie, back to you guys in the studio.